Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving work and closing apps so changes apply cleanly. Once done, press Windows plus I to open Settings. You navigate to System and then Display because that centralizes brightness, scale, and resolution controls. Make sure to have an external monitor connected if you're adjusting multi-display layouts, since Windows shows only connected screens. This initial step puts all relevant controls in one place and prevents surprises from unsaved work or disconnected displays. You change scale first to make text and UI elements readable, choosing 100%, 125%, or 150% depending on screen size fixes most sizing issues. Once scale feels right, choose a recommended resolution to match the panel's native pixels for crisp images and correct layout. Then, open Advanced Display Settings to confirm refresh rate and color format. Those affect motion smoothness and color accuracy. If an external monitor needs tweaking, repeat per screen to ensure consistent results across displays. You finish by restoring defaults if needed. Click Reset in Display Settings or manually set scale and resolution to recommended values. Then open Display Adapter Properties to update or roll back the graphics driver because drivers often cause persistent issues. If changes don't take effect, restart and boot into safe mode to test with the basic driver. This isolates driver problems from hardware faults. If safe mode fixes it, update or reinstall your graphics driver to make the reset permanent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.